So hey everybody, welcome to lesson 3. So we're going to enter cell data into the spreadsheet, and I'm excited to teach you guys about this because I want to make sure that you have all of the foundation necessary so that you can be a superstar with Excel. I'm so serious about this. I'm really pumped. So let's go ahead and jump on into it. The first thing that we want to do is look at the bottom left hand corner and make sure you're in ready mode. Remember, we talked about this earlier, so it says ready, so we know we are good to go. Before we do that, let's talk about what type of data we can enter into Excel. So we can enter dates, we can enter text, we can enter formulas, we can enter combination of both. We can even enter pictures. There's so much that you can do with Excel that a lot of people don't even know about, but you're going to know about it. You are going to be in the elite few who knows about all of these things. We're just doing the basics right now, but we're going to get to some more advanced stuff as we go along. So without further ado, let's go ahead and navigate to table 1. So I've already pre-populated table 1 with some random numbers. So what I want you to do is to replicate in table 2 what you see in table 1. This is just to give you some experience with entering data into Excel. So go ahead and navigate to cell G20 and start entering all of the figures from team A into the column that says team D. So 30, 15, 75, 90, 20. Don't enter anything here because there's a formula there. It's summing everything in cell G20 to G24. So it says the total is 230 and it matches what we have in figure 1, team A. So we're good to go. Let's keep moving. 45, 12, 60, 55, 10, 182. All right, so what if I entered 45 by mistake here? So how do we correct that? Remember, in the first lesson, we go up to our quick access toolbar and we do what? We hit undo. And it changes it back to 55. So remember that you can utilize these tools up here. Don't forget about them because I don't want you to panic if you make a mistake. Let's move on to team F and enter 80, 45, 120, 88, and 39. Okay, our total is 372 because the formula said so. All right, so we've entered our first set of data into our Excel spreadsheet. So I just want to point out to you, I think I mentioned this earlier, how does Excel know if your data is text? So text is aligned to the left of a cell. If anything is put in, like, let's see, ABC, you notice that it's left aligned. This is typically used for a column or table heading. And so you can always change that. If you don't want it to be left aligned, you can make it center aligned, okay? But by default, Excel is always going to left align text, okay? With numerical values, we talked about that. Excel by default is going to right align numerical values, and you can always center it if you like or move it to the left hand column. The reason why it does right alignment is because of accounting. In the accounting world, accounting folks always right align numerical values. All right, let me delete that. And scientific notation. So if you have a numerical value in a cell and it consists of a ton of numbers, Excel is going to convert it to a scientific notation. So I'll show an example. 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'll just put a whole bunch of random numbers. Okay, because there were so many numbers in this cell, Excel could not display them all, and it converted it to scientific notation. So in order to remedy that, you can double click or just make the cell wider. How about that? Oh, the first thing I have to do, I'm sorry, is go up and change it to a number, and then I make the cell wider. And I make it wider again because I made it such a large number. There you go. So the first thing you have to do is change it to a number format and then just widen the cell, and Excel will display it like a regular value. Let me go ahead and delete that, and I'm going to decrease the column size. Okay, and these last two are pretty self-explanatory. It just tells you how Excel displays a positive value and how it displays a negative value. Not rocket science. This is all stuff that you know. And I think we're done with this lesson. So that's a wrap, and I'll see you over on the other side.